Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Robux with Sweetcoin. It's really simple and easy. First of all, go ahead and open Sweetcoin on your device and sign in to your account. Now make sure that you have collected enough Sweetcoin to be able to buy items on the shop tab. So once you are signed into your account, go ahead and head over into the shop tab, and here go ahead and head over to the bid section by clicking on the bid tab. As you can see in here, you can find the option that you can buy using your Sweetcoin as a premium user on Sweetcoin. The auction section isn't available or accessible for free users, and in this section you can actually find random items and gift cards that you can actually buy using your Sweetcoin, and among this would be a Robux gift card. If you are a Sweetcoin Premier user, you should keep an eye on this section. But if you are not a premium user, you can also buy a gift card on the shop section using your Sweetcoin, but it would cost a lot more than the bid section. So smallest amount of gift card that you can buy on Sweetcoin using your Sweetcoin would be $3 gift card. You can find that below this section. So as you can see in here, for a $3 gift card, you will need around 500 Sweetcoin to be able to buy and redeem this. And that's pretty much it. That's how to get Robux with Sweetcoin. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.